Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be reviewing two products, the Pitaka Mag Case and the Pitaka Mag Mount Qi. These two products are sold separately, but they work beautifully together, so I decided to make a single video instead of two. I'll put some links in the description if you're interested in purchasing these products. Let's talk about the Mag Case first. I have it for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but they also have other versions for other Apple and Samsung phones. As of the recording of this video, they only have it in their black color, which has a carbon fiber type of design. They also have another version of this case called the Mag Case Pro that is more protective and thicker. If you want me to review that case as well, make sure to leave a comment down below and leave a like. Anyways, the Mag Case is super thin at 0.85mm thick and super light at just 14 grams. That is really impressive considering that there are metal plates in the case for it to attach to the Mag Mount Qi. The case is so thin that they actually had to raise up the camera cutout to protect the cameras, which is crazy. Another cool thing is that this case is made out of aramid fiber, which is the material that they use for body armor and supercars. It feels really good in the hands because it has a super tough coating that has a hard rubber texture. That means that this case isn't slippery, which is always a good thing with cases, and it's super scratch resistant. It's also resistant to fading, so it's going to look great for a very long time. The cutouts for everything are nice and wide. I've had no problems accessing the buttons, mute switch, charging port, and the case doesn't get in the way of the wide angle camera. It's a little too exposed for my tastes, but that's just my opinion. The resivity of this case, well, there is none on the screen. A tempered glass screen protector is definitely a must when you use this case in my opinion. However, the camera portion is very protected and you don't have to worry about slamming the back of your phone down on a table. This case of course works with wireless charging even with the metal plates because they were strategically placed to not interfere. Speaking of wireless charging, this is the Mag Mount Qi and it's a car mount that can wirelessly charge your phone up to 10 watts, which is the fastest wireless charging speed available at the moment. The front portion is made out of the same aramid fiber, which matches the aesthetics of the case. You can get it in 3 different mounts: the car vent, suction cup, or CD slot. The one I have is the suction cup version. Besides the Mag Mount Qi, you get a USB-C cable, which I absolutely love by the way, and a mini suction base that you can use to attach to your dash. I personally use it on my windshield so I don't have to use the little base and it works great. The suction cup itself is super sticky and once it's on the surface that you're sticking it onto, it's not gonna come off. Attaching the case to the mount is really simple. You just bring the case close to the mount and they will just cling together. The connection is super stable and strong as well. I've never had any issues and my phone has never fallen off the mount while driving. With that being said, when I want to take my phone off, it comes off really easily. One thing that I would love to have is the option to put my phone in landscape mode on the mount. I understand that it would be very difficult to do so because of how the magnets are placed, so that's okay. The Mag Mount is a pretty slim wireless charging car mount, and it even has a built-in fan to keep itself cool for faster charging and a longer battery lifespan for your phone. It also has overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, overheat protection, and something called FOD, and I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm guessing it's also a safety feature. Overall, the Mag Case and Mag Mount Qi are awesome products. I recommend you get both of them, but you can just get the case if you wanted to and then get the mount later on. If you're looking for a thin, minimalistic case that's durable and will last for a long time, then this case is definitely for you. This is the best wireless charging car mount that I've tested and I highly recommend it even though it costs more than other ones out there. The build quality of this mount is amazing and I believe that it will work with future phones if they make cases for them, so the investment is definitely going to be worth it. As always, I'll leave some links in the description if you're interested in purchasing these products. That was my review of the Mag Case and the Mag Mount Qi. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!